Hello, welcome everybody. My name is Daniel here with Thriving Solutions, and today we are going to work on a new flow here. All right, so the idea is that we want to display some of this information here, and for some reason, in order for these images to show, we need to be signed in our instance, right? So for example, if we go to incognito window and I'm gonna try to like see if this works at all. So here we're not this browser's not signed in, right? But I can still call on the API, okay? So as long as our instance is wake up, we can get like our text, right? But see the images, we're not getting it. So for the images to show up, they need to be authenticated, right? So here we are authenticated in this one because I just sign into the instance and then we get our images. Okay, so I did a little research and you know to get the images from the sys attachments table, um, I didn't find any good answers for that. But some people did suggest putting it in this DV. What was it called? DV. So there's another table here. It's called the images table. Okay, I think it's this one. So it's DB image table. So on this DB image table, I move myself down here a little bit. You can see our picture. So here, I create a new category. So we create hot tracks category. And basically this table is public, right? So if I copy this image address and I put it in our private window here, we can see this without authenticating, okay? So maybe what we can do is we can create a flow because I didn't want to like change our record producers and all that, but maybe we can create a flow that's gonna take those images and make it a copy, right? Or copy them into this table and put it with the category hot tracks and with the name, and then we can link that to a field in so we can create a new field and put the URL, okay? So that way when we do our API, we can directly get this link, okay? And then we can instead of having to go and do another call to this other table, we can just get that in our same table. Okay, so for example, I'm going to do it with our wheels here first. So let me see if we have anything, the field created yet. And then we can create a flow that's going to automatically do that for us. Okay, so let's see, we have photo. So see, this is the photo image, right? So this uploads the photo to the sys attachments. So see, we can't do it directly here to that table. Yeah, because see, I tried to like we couldn't do it directly, but what we can do is that. So what I'm gonna do first is we're gonna create a new field here. And this is gonna be image URL. Okay, so we got image URL, and it's gonna be a string. And then let's make this bigger. Right, so we have a string here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that. it's gonna take that photo. Oh wait, see I had a public image. See, I try referencing this to the image itself, right? Um, so I'm gonna try both. So we got public image, and then we got this uh image URL. Okay, so I think this is better, the image URL. So this public image is referencing that images table. All right, so what we're gonna do is, let's see, can we use an existing flow? Because this is when we add, but no, because we want this whenever that images change, right? So maybe we can create a flow just to handle that, because we also need to, if they change the image, right, we need to relink that new image. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna create a new flow. And we're building it from scratch. And then we're gonna link photo to URL. Okay, so link photo to URL. So this could be maybe a subflow if we want to reuse it. But let's build the flow first. Okay. Like maybe the actions can be a subflow, because I think we're gonna use this in different tables. So maybe it could be a dynamic flow. No. All right. So we're gonna try to build this within this hour, less than an hour. I think I got a pretty good idea what I want to do. So the trigger, we're gonna focus on our wheels table first. Okay, so we're gonna edit. So this is when it's created or updated. Okay. Yeah, because it could be created or updated. And the trigger is photo, right? It's called photo. Photo changes. Or each unique change. Okay, so I think if the photo changes, it'll run each time it changes, right? So I think this is pretty straightforward. So basically, because we're gonna get it here, right? I have it here. Maybe we gotta have an if statement. I'm thinking. I'm gonna say if photo is empty, if empty. All right, so let's handle the empty first. We're gonna create record. Image, DB image. So this DB image table, what it has a lot of the images we see here, like for example, like this little icon, like um like these background images, like a lot of this stuff is uploaded there. So some of it you're gonna see when you're logged in because you're logged in. Other things you can see or people can see maybe like through the public portal, stuff like that. So there's really no restrictions for those images. Okay. So for our case, you know, basically these photos are not private in any for any reason. So we do want to have our API, you know, our website to display this stuff without having to worry to be logged in. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna pause here for a minute. All right. I'll be right back. Okay. We're back. We're back. All right. So what we're gonna try to do is we need a display name. We need image, right? Image. So I think we can take our photo, right? That's gonna be an image. Okay, so it does have the same type. See, it says here image, so photo image, and then display name. Um, so so we can't take that here, can we? Display name photo. Would it take it? Let's try it. Let's test it out. Okay, I think that's all it needs because maybe the other stuff gets like. All right, let's try this one. Run test. Uh, Axis. Oh, really? Oh no. Okay. So we can't be in this scope. Oh, what? Wait, what? All right. So, all right. So we don't. Okay. Hmm. All right. That's like the sys ID of it. Yeah. Hmm. Scope does not have access. Okay, so I think we gotta create this again. Let me see. Because if we go here, actually before we do that, hold on. Let's see, we can't change it from here, right? We go to properties, application. Okay. And it says something about the scope. So do we have to like create this from, let's see. If we create it from here, is this always going to be in that scope? Yeah. So we are in this scope. All right. So, all right. That's good to know. So basically we got to go to our Flow Studio, Workflow Studio. So from Workflow Studio, we can go to our global scope. Let's see if we create a flow here. I think I gotta change scope now. Oh, so see, hot tracks. So we gotta go and change our scope first. So to change scope, you can go here. I'm gonna go to global. Okay, now if we refresh here, now we are in the global scope. If we create a flow now, we're no longer in the hot tracks global. Okay. So let's see. Create. Okay, what is it? Upload photo to upload wheels photo to image DB. All right, and it says run as user, run as system. Let's do run as system, and let's do that. Okay. Maybe what was it? No, because I was. All right, so this is kind of be like an automatic thing in the background. Let's try this again. Okay, create it updated. So we are in the wheels scope. This is photo changes for each unique change. And then we're gonna go and create our if image URL is empty, and then we're gonna create record. Then we got, okay, so we know that the display name, we need to kind of like, we'll use like the model, I guess. I don't know. Should we like do model plus like random? Because I wonder if there's like multiple images, if that's gonna be a problem with the same name. That's display name. And then we'll do photo. What else they got here? Actors should be true, right? I think that's default, active true. Oh, and category. Category is gonna be hot tracks. All right, those three things. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna test this again. Do this one. Okay. So name. Uh-oh. All right, so I think we need a name. All right, let's try this again. So instead of display name, let's do name. do model. I'm thinking like model plus random number. Okay, let's test this out. I want to see if we can get these records record. Okay, record. All right. So I wonder. So the image is not. What the heck? Hmm. Show list. Okay. Oh, okay. So see, so it did create the records, but not the images. The image is not there. So I think instead of creating a record, there's another action we can take here. Which is I think it's called upload attachment or something. Copy attachment. Get attachments on record. Look up attachment. So move attachment. Let's see. Let's do a copy attachment. So yeah. So basically, let's see. Source. Okay. So source is gonna be our record, right? Or oh my gosh, is this? That's a good question. Where is target record? What? Table. Let's see. Image. So this copy attachment. Oh. What about we're copying it? See attachment. So they got lookup attachments, copy attachment, there's a get attachments on record, move attachments. So maybe, oh man, maybe we gotta create the record and then copy the attachment. All right, let's try that. I go back. Huh. Okay, so we got our thing here. Let's get rid of this one. So we're gonna create the record, right? And then we're gonna copy attachment. Yeah, it's kind of funny working with attachments. So I don't know if this is considered. I don't even know. Because if it's an attachment, it's gonna go to that sys attachment. What? So let's see if we do this, and then we do this. Huh. Can you do that? Let's see. Ah, does not match attachment table type. Okay, so yeah, I don't think hmm. I thought it was like straightforward. You can just copy it over. It does have a photo, but do we need to specify source attachment record? Okay. So I think it's because we are not pointing to the right place here. Let's see, hopefully it's just that. So if we go here, wheels, and it's gonna be image, photo. Image is not allowed. All right, so let's try this then. We're gonna do a lookup. We're gonna do attachment lookup. Then we had it earlier. Oh, it's lookup email attachments. Ugh. Attachments. Copy attachment. Lookup attachment. Okay. Let's see. Record source record. So lookup attachment. Returns attachments this attachment record. Provide a value for each input that your flow needs. Huh. All right. Let's see. Hmm. Empty record. Empty attachment record. So that's that number, right? SysID. Attachment SysID. Source record. So no attachment found. No attachment found. So if we have oh, but it's the file name. And here they're looking for the file name, but didn't find anything. What about and the SysID is what? Oh, wait a minute. But the file name is not that. So this is not the file name. So when we do look up attachments, how do we get the file name? All right, so that's with a script. Hmm. Anchor. What do you say, Anchor? So I guess we could write a business rule. It might be easier for this case because the flow is not giving us the details we need. Add an after business rule on sys attachment table with condition as below. Oh, see, for whenever we save something to that table, replace the image field name. Hmm. Oh, okay, this is something else. This is taking an attachment and putting it in the image field. Hmm. Okay. Well, let's go back to our flow here. So I do have one more thing I want to check here. All right, let's say we go to hot track. Come on. So our image does have a sys ID. That's what we're getting. What about the name? Hmm. So I think what we can do is instead of using this, where do we go? All right, but instead of using this lookup attachment, we're gonna do a lookup record. Because since this is giving us the sys ID of the image, right? Photo. And I don't know if this is good, but let's see if we can copy it from here. So if we have attachment record. Hey baby, ¿qué pasó? You woke up? Got your pillow? Alright, so source attachment record. Let me see what this says here. Copy attachment to a target record. Inputs. Provide inputs to flow to add dynamic values. So record reference is attachment table, target record. Okay, so I think this should work. Alright, I'm gonna try this one. Think it's gonna work? Yeah. Huh. Alright, no errors. That's good. Alright. So we did find it. Something. And the image is does have an attachment. What about the image? It has the attachment. Mm. Oh. Mm. Yeah. Ah. Hmm. But there's no image here. Why? Alright, so I got a different idea. Okay, so we're not gonna copy the attachment. We are gonna do a lookup and then we're gonna create the record. Okay. So let's do that. Alright, this is not it. Anyways, okay. So here, see, cause it's it's not an attachment. So what we're gonna do is, all right, we're back here. So we're gonna edit flow again. We're not gonna use this. Actually, we're gonna look up first. And then we're gonna create our record. And then here the image. Our image is gonna come from our lookup. Let's see. So I don't get it why this doesn't work here. Why does this not work? Why does that not work? What do you want from me? Yeah. Hmm. Can somebody explain to me why this doesn't work? So basically we have an image. Oh, no, no, no. This image must end with that. Oh. Uh, let me see. Let me try something here because I think the name might be throwing it off. How weird, right? So if we go create, we'll just put the name dot jpg. JPEG. Let's see. Maybe this will work. This is what I thought needed to happen. This is the most. So maybe we don't even need to do the lookup. Mm, oh. JPG. Yeah. What? Where's your shoes? I don't know. So this is pretty crazy. Try this one more time. All right, we got 10 more minutes. 10 minutes left. Okay. No. All right, so we can't do it from there. Let's try the other thing we were trying to do here. So we can't look up the attach. Okay, so we look up the attachment. So we create our record. All right, let's see if it has to be a different kind of, maybe an update. Let's see. Let's do this update record. So we're gonna do our image record. A boopy. Okay, I'm gonna try one more thing. Let's see. This one's gonna be called lookup attachments. File name. SSID. I don't think this is gonna work. No record found. I did kind of find something because what the heck? No attachment found. All right. Well, I think we will have to review this one again. We might have to do code for this because for some reason in Flow Designer, we're not getting the right data to be moved. Okay, but we'll go ahead and handle our business here. Thank you so much for joining us in this attempt to create our flow, and I will see you next time. Say bye. Bye. Un besito. Bye bye.